Ever feel stuck, staring at a blank screen, wondering what to post next for your brand? You're not alone. Creating social media content takes time, creativity, and energy most of us don't have every single day. But what if AI could do it all for you? Posts, videos, captions, scheduling, even memes. Today, I'm diving into a game-changing tool called Predis AI that's transforming how content gets created. Hi, I'm Samantha, and in today's video, we're exploring Predis AI, an all-in-one AI marketing tool built for businesses, creators, and marketers who want high-impact content without the daily grind. It turns simple text or product info into scroll-stopping posts, carousels, videos, and more, automatically. Here's where Predis really shines. It can create everything from videos to memes, carousels, product images, and even ad copy with just a simple text prompt. Need AI voiceovers? It's in there. Want to schedule posts? Covered. Want to remove the background of your product photos? Done. Plus, it generates optimized hashtags, supports 18+ languages, and lets you drag and drop your way to polished visuals all in one place. So how can you actually use it? A small business can create product videos for Instagram in seconds. A content creator can whip up memes and TikToks on the fly. Marketing agencies can batch schedule a week's worth of branded content in minutes. It's like having a whole team on standby, even if you're a team of one. Predis AI is built for marketers, social media managers, small business owners, and anyone trying to build a brand online. If you're short on time, don't have a design team, or just want smarter content faster, this was made for you. There's a free plan if you want to test it out. You get 15 AI credits and 10 competitor analysis runs. Paid plans unlock more brands, higher limits, and watermark-free exports. Honestly, great value for anyone serious about content. Compared to tools like Simplified or Ad Creative AI, Predis is laser-focused on social media. It bundles content creation, scheduling, and analytics in one platform. Unlike ChatGPT, which gives you text, or Canva, which gives you design, Predis gives you everything for social media, automatically. No tool is perfect. Predis sometimes generates content that feels generic or needs tweaking to fit your brand voice. Hashtag generation is mostly in English, and the free plan adds a watermark. So, if you're working on highly niche or multilingual campaigns, be aware. Here's a quick tip. Start by typing a simple prompt like "New Arrival Alert, Handmade Leather Bags." Predis will instantly generate carousel posts, captions, and even a video script. You can edit with its drag and drop tool, schedule your post, and hit publish all in under 10 minutes. So, if you want to stop staring at blank pages and start publishing scroll-stopping content faster, Predis AI might be exactly what you need. Let me know in the comments what feature you use most. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more AI tools, and check out Predis using the link below. Catch you in the next one.